काम करता म्हणजे सगळें बरें काम करता आनी तुका आनी बरें काम करपाक केस करपाक सांगला आनी काय ना.
There are many complaints regarding the meter testing, the delay in meter testing.
I'm doing it. Can we see, I have taken the department for almost 3 months. And first I was focusing on getting my store which was defunct. स्टोरान काय सामान आसा लोकांक ते स्ट्रीट सर्वीस वायर हाडपाक येताले, मिटर हाडपाक येताले. आतां म्हाजो स्टोरान आतां टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस जावन ते स्टोर म्हजो भरपाक लागला. I have told the people of Goa that nobody should buy a meter, nobody should buy service wire, nobody should buy anything which the electricity department should buy. So माझं स्टोर घालपाक माझं अजूनही म्हणजे झालं ना. This is a separate section, MRT म्हणल्यार separate section, meter testing section, lot of things they do in this section. So somehow there is no whatever you say. So like give me some time, I assure the people of Goa that I will find the most easiest and most friendly way and the fastest way of doing things. म्हणजे मजा कितें आसा तें म्हाका करून दी, हे पण कितले प्रेशर घाला हांव करचो ना. But I assure the people of Kukolli or people of Goa that I am working on a system. It will take me some time. That's what is there. See, it is not only my department. For anything to buy, it has to go to the finance department. Even though we are given a budget, it has to go through the process. Finance department, chief minister is helping. Not that they are not helping. But the process is taking time. I want to simplify first my department. And then I will go to after the finance department to simplify process. Because my department is LED lights on I take responsibility within 24 hours I will see, or maximum 48 hours I will see that they are working. At least till May. Awesome mother class everybody has to see, but I feel that people should not suffer. Street lights should work in this season. I mean, if not, please SMS me. I will see it. I will be the call center person. Till my call center, which I have tendered it out, I don't get proper system. 1910 is not working properly. I admit it. I am putting it properly. Then the call center will take it.